Welcome to our guide showcasing the top 5 best Wicked Ridge crossbows of 2024. As avid hunters and enthusiasts know, a reliable crossbow can make all the difference in the field. Join us as we explore the features, benefits, and unparalleled quality of these top 5 crossbows represent the pinnacle of Wicked Ridge's craftsmanship. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. Number 5. The Commander M1 crossbow is engineered to deliver exceptional performance and ease of use for hunters. One of its standout features is its remarkably light weight, tipping the scales at just 5.8 pounds. Its sleek design, measuring only 9.5 inches in width, enhances mobility and increases shot opportunities by minimizing the risk of cam-limb contact in various hunting scenarios. Equipped with a multi-line scope boasting fully coated 4x optics, this crossbow offers precise aim points out to 50 yards, ensuring accurate shooting even at extended distances. Cocking the Commander M1 is a breeze thanks to the rope sled cocking device, which reduces the effort needed to cock the crossbow by an impressive 50%. Crafted with precision by American workers, each Commander M1 is pre-sighted at 20 yards before leaving the factory. This meticulous attention to detail guarantees that hunters can confidently rely on their crossbow's accuracy right from the start, eliminating the need for time-consuming adjustments and allowing them to focus on their hunting experience. In summary, the Commander M1 crossbow is a testament to precision engineering and American craftsmanship. With its lightweight design, advanced optics, effortless cocking mechanism, and meticulous quality control, it sets a new standard for performance and reliability in the world of hunting. Number 4. The Wicked Ridge RDX 400 crossbow is a marvel of modern engineering, featuring a state-of-the-art reverse draw design that provides unparalleled speed and power. Thanks to this innovative design, the crossbow delivers lightning-fast arrow speeds of up to 400 feet per second while also boasting remarkable accuracy. One of the standout features of the RDX 400 is its easy and silent cocking mechanism, facilitated by the AccuDraw PRO system. With just 8.5 pounds of force, users can cock the crossbow effortlessly and without alerting nearby game or targets. This not only enhances the hunting experience, but also reduces fatigue during extended shooting sessions. The included 3x multi-line scope further enhances accuracy, offering fully coated optics and calibrated crosshairs for 20, 30, and 40-yard shots. Additionally, it features a partial line for 50-yard distances, ensuring precise aiming at various ranges. The scope is securely mounted using included rings, ensuring stability and reliability in the field. Safety is a top priority with the RDX 400. Integrated safety wings and a fully enclosed trigger guard keep the shooter's hand and fingers safely away from the flight deck, reducing the risk of accidents. The Dry Fire Inhibitor, DFI, prevents the crossbow from firing without an arrow loaded, further enhancing safety during use. Additionally, the crossbow boasts a crisp 3.5-pound trigger pull, ensuring consistent and controlled shots with every release. Number 3. The Invader M1 crossbow is a compact and lightweight hunting tool designed for precision and ease of use. Measuring 5.5 inches narrower and 2.5 inches shorter than its predecessor, the Wicked Ridge Invader 400, it offers improved maneuverability without sacrificing performance. Weighing only 5.8 pounds, it's lighter than ever, making it ideal for hunters who value mobility in the field. One of its standout features is the built-in AccuDraw cocking device, which significantly reduces the force required to cock the crossbow to just 5 pounds. This integrated system ensures smooth and effortless operation, eliminating the need to carry a separate cocking device and minimizing the risk of forgetting it during hunts. Equipped with a ProView 400 scope featuring an illuminated reticle with aim points out to 70 yards, the Invader M1 offers enhanced downrange accuracy and target acquisition. Moreover, each crossbow is pre-sighted at 20 yards by American workers before leaving the factory, ensuring that hunters can confidently take their first shots knowing they are on target. In summary, the Invader M1 crossbow combines compact design, lightweight construction, and advanced features to provide hunters with a reliable and efficient tool for their hunting adventures. Number 2. Introducing the RDX 410, a compact powerhouse measuring just 29 inches in length and 9 inches in width, making it 3 inches shorter and 10 FPS faster than its predecessor, the Wicked Ridge RDX 400. The ACU Draw Silent Cocking System offers effortless operation and reduces draw weight to a mere 5 pounds, ensuring silent cocking without the need for additional aids. Powered by a reverse draw design, the RDX 410 delivers unparalleled speed and power, achieving speeds up to 410 FPS with remarkable accuracy. Equipped with the ProView 400 scope featuring an illuminated reticle with aim points out to 70 yards, this crossbow ensures precise shooting even at extended ranges. Built in America, the RDX 410 is meticulously pre-sighted by American workers before leaving the factory, guaranteeing your first shots hit the mark. Included with the bow are essential accessories such as the ProView 400 scope, ACU Draw silent cocking device, 3-match 400 carbon arrows, an integrated string dampening system, a bow hook, and a quiver, ensuring you're fully equipped for your hunting endeavors. Before getting to the first place, if you've been enjoying the content so far, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit like, hit subscribe, and join us on this incredible journey together. Number 1. Crafted with pride in America, the Fury 410 D-Cock reverse draw crossbow is a game changer in the world of hunting equipment, offering a blend of speed, power, and silence that's unmatched in its class. Measuring just 29 inches in length, this compact marvel unleashes arrows at an incredible velocity of 410 feet per second, ensuring your shots reach their target with fast precision. What truly sets the Fury 410 apart is its innovative AccuDraw decock system, which provides a safe and convenient method for decocking the crossbow without the need to fire a shot. Equipped with a Rangemaster Pro variable speed scope, the Fury 410 provides exceptional accuracy and clarity in any lighting conditions. With a pull weight of just 3.5 pounds, the D1 trigger enhances accuracy and control, giving you the confidence to make every shot count. In addition to its advanced features, the Fury 410 comes complete with everything you need to hit the ground running. The package includes a Rangemaster Pro variable speed scope, the ACU Draw decock system, 3-match 400 carbon arrows, a 3-arrow quiver, and all necessary hardware, ensuring you're fully equipped for your next hunting adventure. In summary, the Fury 410 D-Cock reverse draw crossbow is more than just a piece of hunting equipment. It's a testament to American ingenuity and craftsmanship. Thank you for watching our video featuring the top 5 best Wicked Ridge crossbows of 2024. We appreciate your time and interest in learning about these exceptional products. Stay tuned for more updates and reviews, and until next time, happy hunting!